This is part 5 of section 11.7. We are going to use the picture that you'll find on the last page of these notes to do these next problems. 2 tiles are drawn in succession from Scrabble's 100 tiles. Find each probability expressed as a simplified fraction. Find the probability of selecting an E on the first draw and a J on the second draw. Okay, so we're told that there are 100 tiles. The point value is right here beside the number, the letter, and then the number off to the side is the number of times, the number of tiles that appears like that, okay? So we want to find the probability of drawing an E on the first, and then a J on the second. Okay, well, the probability of drawing an E on the first. How many E tiles are there? There are 12 out of the 100. So that would be 3 over 25. So now the probability of drawing a J on the second. Now I only have 99 tiles to choose from. And I've used one of the E's, but that doesn't affect the number of J's I have to choose from. There's only one J in the whole thing. So the probability of drawing that J second is 1 over 99. So the probability of drawing an E and then a J would be 3 over 25 times 1 over 99, which is 1 over 825. Okay. So let's find the probability of selecting a tile worth 4 points on the first draw and then a tile worth 3 points on the second draw. Okay, well, the first thing I need to do is to figure out how many tiles I have that are worth 4 points and how many that I have that are worth 3 points. So for 4 points, if I go through this, I see that my first 4 point is F, and then H, and then V, W, and Y. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are 10 4-point tiles. Three-point tiles, how many do I have? Okay, well, there's B and C and M and P. So 2, 4, 6, 8 3-point tiles. Okay, so the probability of selecting a tile worth 4 points on the first draw. So probability of 4 on the first draw would be 10 tiles out of the 100, which would be 1/10. Okay, and then now the probability of drawing a 3-point tile on the second draw. Now there are 99 tiles to choose from, and there are still 8 3-point tiles. So the probability of drawing a 4 on the first one and then a 3 on the second one would be 1/10 times 8 over 99, which is 4 over 495. Okay, now find the probability of selecting an L or an M on the second draw, given that a K was selected on the first draw. Okay, so if a K is drawn first, we aren't asked anything about the probability of that happening. We're just told that it's already happened. So what that means to me is that I now have 99 tiles left. And where I had 1 K before, now I have 0 Ks left. Okay, so that my sample space has just changed. So what is the probability of selecting an L or an M on the second draw? Okay, well, that's the probability of L or M. So there are 4 ways to draw an L, 2 ways to draw an M, so 6 ways total. Out of the 99, there are tiles left to choose from. So your probability is 6 over 99, which reduces to 2 over 33. Okay. 3 Scrabble tiles are drawn in succession. Find the probability of selecting 3 R's in a row. There are 6 R tiles. So the probability of selecting the first one would be 6 out of 100, which is 3 over 50. The probability of drawing the second one, there are now 5 R's left out of 99 total. And then the third draw, there are 4 left out of 98. And 4 over 98 is the same thing as 2 over 49. So the probability of R1, R2, R3 would be 3 over 50 times 5 over 99 times 2 over 49, which is 1 over 8,085.